Do you know the fastest way to get a $500 a day website? It's easy, by cloning a $500 a day website. But until now, this has been impossible. That is, until now. Presenting AI Cloner, a new AI app powered by OpenAI's elite GPT-4 Vision and DALL-E 3.0 models, which take any website image and recraft and clone them into a brand new site. Your site, except with your affiliate link, buy link or opt-in code preloaded. Now here's how it works. Step 1. Either import your own URL or screenshot of a website or browse one of our done-for-you money-making websites. Add your buy link, affiliate link, or opt-in code. Then click Clone. Now the AI goes to work, scanning the page, remaking the images, and embedding your links and code. This is a powerful multi-step process involving GPT 4.0, GPT-4 Vision, and DALL-E 3.0. Step 2. Now your page is ready. Either ask the AI for a respin, edit it yourself, or publish the page, either to our own server or to our built-in free hosting. Step 3. Now that your site is live, replicating a proven moneymaker, there's only one thing left to do: get traffic. And that's where the built-in traffic app comes in. In just one click, this blasts your site to over 40 social networks. Step 4. Rinse and repeat. Because look, this AI is yours to keep. It works with any type of landing page, opt-in page, sales page, VSL, home page, demo page. If you can visit it in your browser, the AI can remake it for your benefit. This is a new way to site build. This is a new way to make commissions. This is AI Cloner. Okay, that's it. I'm off. I have sites to clone and money to make. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside.